Hello, and welcome to this session of HME Quick Bites. Today, we will be discussing HME Cloud administration around store management and leaderboard assignment. So let's take a look at live at the cloud here. You're going to want to go directly to this quick link stores, and that's going to show you that manage report group section. And essentially, HME Cloud makes it easy to manage restaurants in your cloud by enabling you to group and organize them into report groups. So I'll click the link here so that you can see what that looks like. The feature organizes your restaurants into tiered groups to match the structure of your organization. This allows for easier management of reporting and user access. To access, simply sign into your HME account, select that store list from the quick link page, and then what we're going to do is we can go in and see how to add a group. You simply add, enter a name, and then click save once you do that. And then you can find your group in here as well. So you once you select something, you're able to move it around. You can do all sorts of functions in there. One thing to note is you will need a data subscription or higher in order to add your stores into the manage group area. So when you select Super Sandwich Norma 7896 and then you click move, you then can pick your group that you're moving it to. And now when you go to look at a leaderboard, you're able to get that assigned to that leaderboard. It's now registered to that group that can see that in the system. And to look at that, you can go into leaderboards. So this will show your restaurant's speed of service metric against other restaurants in your network, and it helps motivate crews to improve their performance by increasing competition and boosting team engagement. So to access, you'll go ahead and find your leaderboard. Let's go ahead and find here. There's 4 here. So we can take a look and edit. And this is where you can add further stores into your leaderboard by selecting the store and then moving it over with the arrows and then clicking save down at the bottom of the page here. Now you can also invite other leaderboards to your leaderboard. You can do that by entering in their cloud email address and then submit by clicking invite to my leaderboard. They'll get an invitation through email, and that way you can add them to your leaderboard. One caveat is you cannot have a store assigned to leaderboards. So if you are inviting another store to your leaderboard, it can't already be assigned. They'd have to disengage, go into the system here, click on it, and then remove themselves from the leaderboard. So that's how you essentially add those stores to your leaderboard and then add them to your assignment. So if you're looking for more, we actually have webinars that go over this exact information in a deeper dive. We've recorded a streamlining restaurant manage groups that details all the different things that you can do within the system to move and add and make changes as far as those managed groups. And then as far as our leaderboard goes, we have a whole video that's about 22 minutes long that goes through all the different steps of assigning, managing that leaderboard, making edits to the leaderboard, and it includes gamification as well. Thanks for joining us today for this Quick Bites. Take care, everyone.